How to log into my Mythdhr account. Welcome back everyone to this new video of 1-2 Step. If you are an employee of Home Depot and if you're trying to log into your account, the section or the portal of employees is called Mythdhr. So if you want to log into your employee account of Home Depot, then make sure you stick till the end. Search for Mythdhr login on the search bar of your web browser, and once you do, you can see the first result, which says Mythdhr and it says self-service. You can click on this link. From here you can scroll down and there are a few sections that you can log into. If you currently work for or are an associate of Home Depot, you can click on current associate, but if you are a former worker, you can click on the former option. To this section, to log into your account, you'll firstly need to pick your store number or type in your store number, or you can also click on other locations if you don't work in a store. In the next box, type in the user ID. This is the user ID that has been given to you by Home Depot. The user ID for the other people not working on store is going to be your LAN ID. For the people who do work on the store, you can type in your user ID. And in the next box, type in your password as well. In case you don't remember the password of your account, in the previous section, you can see an option called Forgot Password. You can click on this link and it's going to take you to a section where you can reset your password of Mythdhr. So once you fill in all of these information, you can click on Login and you'll be successfully logged in to your employee portal or Mythdhr account. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily guide videos that we post. I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.